We are currently on our way to Babe Ruth's birthplace. I never thought I'd be excited about this, but I actually am pretty pumped for it. Apparently it's pretty close. Christy's here with me. We're taking this journey together. And on top of that, he's like a legend, right? So maybe his birthplace juices will get on us too, and then we'll become legends in our own right. You know, I don't know. We'll see. Here's Babe Ruth's whereabouts. This is where he ate supper. His juicy steaks. That's crazy. That's his tea kettle. He drank before all his games. Get any lucky birthplace juice, this is it. This is where he was born. In this room.
Jump on the bed.
Yeah. Is he talking to you? Babe? Babe, it's us.
Oh, Chris.
Regular season home runs, 714 club. Wowee. Okay, so apparently this is all his home runs. Okay, so that was Babe Ruth's birthplace. That's crazy. So we are going now to Edgar Allan Poe's grave. So we see the birth of a guy, and now we see the death of a guy. It's a little bit morbid, but that's gonna be cool. Nothing quite like visiting a cemetery.
Hey, at least we're not here at dark.
Almost looks like a cracked tomb. Kind of like what Jesus did. He's got a big one. With a chalice on top too. Another cracked tomb. Actually crazy. The moment you've all been waiting for. Edgar Poe Original Burial Site is the whole name. But yeah, so he's not here, but he's with us in spirit. Apparently, we just were walking in and this turns out to be another area of Mr. Edgar Allan Poe. But the other one was the actual tombstone from back in the day. This one I think is just a marker kind of thing. But yeah, pretty cool. Okay, everybody. We're coming to the end of today. We're getting ready to go to the airport. I think we're gonna get some food, go to the airport. And that's gonna be the end of this.
Hopefully the weather's nice.
Okay, so we're not leaving. It got delayed and we're staying longer. Yeah. Well, Christy, I'll be...
Okay.
Right across the way. Room tour. Here we go. All right. That light doesn't work. We got ourselves a large mini fridge. Oh yeah. You could put some pastries in there. That's for sure. A TV where I haven't found the channel quite yet. Literally any channel that works. When I first turned it on, it was freaking blaring. Somebody knew what they were doing. They were setting up the next person. Yeah, I haven't found one channel that works yet. There we go. Traveler shop. Got a coffee maker. More lights. Let's see here. There we go. There we go. We have ourselves a school speaker. With like... Oh! Nice! Heck yeah. If there's a fire, I'm dead. I don't know why there's a speaker. That's so random. Nice mirror. A sink. Dude, that was actually... I was like, maybe the water doesn't work. And... Look at that. Magic. Pretty dang exciting, huh? We're gonna try Moe's. It was recommended today and yesterday, so we're gonna try it out. I think it'll be good. But yeah, we're just taking advantage of the extra day we have here.
And
you know,
nice weather.
It's got nice weather. We're gonna try and make the most of it. So let's see. I think Moe's will be good though. I'm excited to get some more seafood. So here we go. Whoa. We made it to Moe's. Moe's Crab Shack. Actually, it's just called Moe's Seafood. Well, we're going to check it out. I think it should be good. Let's see. Here we go. Alright. So I ended up getting swordfish. I just wanted to break out and do something different. And then she got the trio. Chrissy got the trio.
I got the love
Oh my god, it looks so good. So anyways, we're about to dig in. I just want an update. Alright. It's also Little Italy. I mean, if you keep going, there's like 6 Italian flags. Oh, actually, look! Even up there. Right up top. That's crazy. So anyways, kind of cool. Okay, food was top notch. I would say, okay, I gotta be careful saying this where I am. I'm in Little Italy. The mafia might come after us. But, it might come after me. But, Phillips was the best. The one that we had yesterday was by far the best. This one, price-wise, better, quantity better. Overall ambiance, maybe not so much better, but still. I would say that one took second place. So, and then the rusty stuff was delicious, but it just was so expensive.
It was too bougie.
You can't. Yeah, it was too bougie. Like
It wasn't
$70 for a drink in a soup shack. Like, come on, come on. That's crazy. Not bad. It is a crispy 4:19 in the morning. Yeah, today hopefully will be the day where we can go back home. All right, we go to the airport. All right, take 2. We're back, everybody. Today is the day. Today is the day we finally go home, Christy. We're making it.
I ran out of socks.
I ran out of underwear. I'm gonna be honest.